Samsung is set to unveil its latest flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, on January 22, 2025, during the Galaxy Unpacked event. This highly anticipated device is designed to redefine premium mobile experiences with cutting-edge features and innovations. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering an incredibly vibrant and fluid visual experience for gaming, streaming, and browsing. Powering the device will be Qualcomm's advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking capabilities. For photography enthusiasts, the phone will include a sophisticated camera setup with a 200MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with advanced zoom capabilities, enabling professional quality photos and videos in a variety of conditions. The device will also house a robust 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging, ensuring prolonged usage with minimal downtime. Running on Android 15 with the new One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will integrate enhanced AI features and refined software capabilities to deliver a user-friendly experience. Priced at approximately $1,599, the Galaxy S25 Ultra positions itself as a premium offering, reflecting its advanced technology and groundbreaking features.